Crust AI is the latest release in the AI software space. And in this video, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. This is a brand new tool that's already catching attention for its robust features. But is it worth the hype? Stick around because I'll go over everything you need to know before you dive in. Plus, I'll be showing you how you can try it completely free, so make sure you keep watching. First off, Crust AI brings a unique set of tools to the table that can help automate key aspects of your business, from customer service to lead generation. If you've been looking for an AI software that does more than just answer questions, Crust is designed to seamlessly integrate into your operations and save you time, which is crucial for scaling. One thing you'll immediately notice with Crust AI is how intuitive the user interface is. This is a software made with both beginners and experts in mind. The setup process is quick, and even if you're not a tech whiz, you can get started without much hassle. Its clean design lets you focus on the tasks that matter without getting lost in the details. One of the standout features of Crust AI is its ability to provide in-depth customer insights and analytics. This tool doesn't just respond to queries. It learns from every interaction, giving you real-time data on customer behavior, preferences, and pain points. This allows you to adjust your strategies, build more meaningful customer relationships, and increase conversions. But here's where Crust AI really shines. It offers powerful integrations with a wide range of popular tools like CRM systems, email marketing platforms, and project management software. This level of compatibility makes it super easy to plug Crust into your existing workflow without needing to overhaul your entire system. Now, if you're worried about pricing, here's the good news. Crust AI offers a completely free trial, which means you can test everything without committing to a long-term plan. This is crucial if you want to evaluate whether it truly adds value to your business before spending a dime. Another feature worth mentioning is Crust's exceptional customer support. In a world where AI tools often leave users hanging, Crust provides round-the-clock support via chat, email, and even video tutorials to ensure you're getting the most out of the software. This is something I can't stress enough. Knowing that you can get help when needed can make or break your experience with a new tool. As for customization, Crust AI is highly adaptable to your specific needs. Whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, you can tweak the settings and workflows to match your goals, making it incredibly versatile. The ability to personalize the AI's responses and actions is a big plus for anyone looking to create a tailored user experience. Before you go, make sure to check out the first link in the description for your free trial of Crust AI, where you can test all of these features for yourself. And if you're still unsure, I've spent years testing and reviewing AI software, and I can tell you that Crust is one of the most user-friendly and feature-packed tools I've seen so far. If you're into AI software and want to see more recommendations, I've got a list of the best AI tools in the description below, after testing thousands of options. Don't forget to hit that link and try them out for free.